Hopefully. Okay. Testing, testing, testing. 1, 2. Now let me come see if I can hear. Alexa, turn kitchen lights to 100%. Okay, so I got the mic on. I think you can hear me good. Anyway, hey y'all, welcome back. Happy Friday. Thank y'all graciously for your support in the live last night. If you were able to watch it, I just want to say thank y'all first and foremost. Okay, we'll chat about it here in a minute. This ain't really no clean with me, but I'm gonna clean and chat with y'all while I do this. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Hopefully you'll be able to hear what I'm saying. Well, maybe not, because now listen to all that. God dog it. Wait, let me do this part then. Shucks. I might can remove the background noise. Anyway, y'all, listen. When I was sitting on the toilet this morning is when I was actually able to go back and look at the live replay. Girl, perspective is everything. I love that though. And I like a good dialogue too, you know. But when you add a heavy conversation on top of menopause, God dog on it, Sally Sue. Woo, my Lord. And the thing about the menopause, y'all, is it's women who go through menopause, like the heavier side of menopause, that women who don't go through that side of it can't relate to. It's very hard to find that line of communication with another like-minded woman that may be going through the exact same level of menopause that you're going through. Because there's levels to this shit. It's real levels to this shit. That perimenopause stuff, that ain't nothing. That shit is a walk in the park, I'm being honest. But it is definitely a lead up to give you an indication of how heavy it can get. And it's so unfortunate that a lot of what I got going on is menopause related. And it's going to go untreated because a lot of the medications that they want to use to treat menopause is hormone based. My cancer that I had was a hormone type of cancer. I was also told that this cancer could come back for sure, but definitely will get a faster growth return by me taking anything dealing with hormones. I had even told my doctor, I'm willing to take that chance to just get to take the chance and grow cancer back if it's gonna give me some relief in my daily life, because right now, this can't be how I'm gonna live for, the rest of my life, or however long menopause decides it wants to be heavy like that, right? And she said she couldn't do it. She would not do it. She said, I'm not going to go against my medical practice, my medical, whatever, and give you medications that I know are going to cause you harm. She said, I'm not doing it. And she didn't do it. And so the things that I have tried, that shit, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't even touch what I got going on. So in addition to that and life, right, here we are. I found that marijuana is way more helpful to me and has been helpful to me than any of the medications that I have tried since before. Even finding out I had cancer again. Here we are. This is some grown woman shit. Again, I say this wholeheartedly to the bitch who left comments talking about, oh my God, why she crying so much? Oh my God, this, that, and the third. Bitch, you better pray. You better pray. You better pray your ass don't have to endure what the hell I'm going through. Or somebody you love, your daughter, your whoever. You better pray that shit bypass your ass, bitch. Which brings me to another point, y'all. I created a safe space over on TikTok for women in the dollhouse community to come and not even necessarily be doing anything with dollhouses, for the very reason that got displayed in the live last night. Bitches who want to pass judgment on other women out of jealous and malice, typically, you know. Most of the time, those are the people. They want to switch lives with you. So I also have to be careful of people like that too. Oh yeah, they want to be exactly where you are. So that comment that they may have left is coming from that place. It's so sad that we are grown ass women. I believe most of my following is still the same, you know, age bracket of women. It's so unfortunate that it was a lot of old bitches that's my age in the comments saying that dumb shit. Shame on you, bitch. Just know your day is coming. Anyway, to the rest of y'all, my ride or dies, Ron's ride or dies. I love y'all, and I love a good, healthy back and forth banter. I love that. That's healthy. And I hope somebody got something good from what the hell we got going on, because that's all my mission has ever been, is to come on camera and drop something for you. Y'all know I don't give a damn about none or nothing, for real. On the back end of it, like that, you know. Yeah, come on now. They're either gonna love me or hate me, and I'm all right with either one, okay? Just know that. Now that we're back together, you and I, friends, okay? Now that everything is kind of like just on a do for now, okay? I gotta let it even out so I can kind of measure the room. See what the numbers gonna fluctuate to when the drama, so to speak, die down. You know what I'm saying? That'll give me an indication of what my work schedule going. You get what I'm saying, sis? I gotta see what the pan out gonna look like once the drama die down, you know? Once they ain't getting what they coming here for no more, that's gonna be about where we gonna be at, and they'll let me know what my schedule needs to be in terms of showing up back over here to make Sharon She's So Fabulous money, okay? Thank y'all for coming along the ride with me and making it happen. Watch all the ads. Don't skip. Just let this shit play out. And we'll be there before you know it. Oh, and guess what else, friend? Guess what else? Hold up. We're going to talk about that over a meal. Wait a minute. Let me get this thing right here going, because you always trying to do stuff. Come on. Now I'm having a hot flash now. God, dog. That's done wore me out. I mean, I am having a hot flash. What do you do, girl? It's actually about to rain, storm or something. I don't know. So what is the weather for today? Alexa, what is the weather for today?
The current weather is 74 degrees Fahrenheit and lots of clouds. Today's forecast has lots of clouds and thunderstorms, a high of 82 degrees and a low of 70 degrees.
What time will it rain?
Rain's coming around 5 p.m. today with a 61% chance. There's also a distant shot tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. with...
Okay. What she said, y'all. Now, where's my dang? I think I'm gonna have for breakfast a leftover. I'm gonna eat a taco. It's already in there, and they need to get out. That last little corner hamburger need to go on, get on up out of here. So let me go ahead and help you. And see, look, we just did a chat and clean the old way. That was nice. Thank y'all for joining me and cleaning up. I am the music today. We don't have any weekend plans. But I'm thinking that I might want to. I don't know. I kind of want to take Bay out of town. Spend my money on him for the bitches in the back. The fact that people really think I'm sitting over here using this man, to me, is still crazy. I still find that to be, I think that might be more offensive to me than anything, is that somebody really think I'm using somebody or we use somebody. It is what it is, friend. I love sharing my life with the world. Good, bad, and everything in between. I actually enjoy it. I enjoy seeing the different comments, even the crazy ones, when they be trying to step out there. I find it like, oh my gosh, this is so crazy that you got this from this and that from that and this from that and then this. But we also know how that works. We've talked about that though a million times. People gonna fill in the blanks to make themselves right about a thing, you know. And that's okay. I'm okay with that too. We get it. We get it. We get it. Just another day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? And it's another thing, y'all. It pisses people off that they don't think I take stuff serious. And I don't take stuff serious. And I probably won't never take shit serious. You know that? Because this is my way of living my life. And I don't know but one way to live. And that's for me. Okay? That's all I know how to do. Is live for me and move how I'm comfortable. And if you don't get that, I don't give a damn. I truly do not give a damn if you don't understand that. And if you not living your life like that, kudos to you. You know, let people live how the fuck they gonna live, bitch. You live your shit how you wanna live and let people live there's the way they want to. And that's that. Okay? That is that. Like, for real. And if somebody open up and let you in, be thankful that they let your ass in, bitch. That you even in the room. Shit. You is in the room, okay? Where does this one go? Do you go in here normally? I feel like you the one that lives here and you live over here. Yeah, I'm gonna eat a taco, y'all. It's gonna be the quickest thing. And it'll be fulfilling too. We'll do those later. I am not in the mood, y'all. Burrito. This is one of the medium-sized ones. Well, I started buying the little teeny ones because these right here it's a little bit extra on it for me, and I don't really do a burrito. I don't really ever do a burrito, but I mean, I guess I could do one. Hold up, I got some bigger ones. Yeah, maybe I'll make a burrito. Okay, yeah, let's make a burrito. Okay. Okay. Tomato. Do I have all the things to make it happen? Rice can you eat?
Cooked rice stays safe 3 to 4 days in the fridge, cooled promptly, and kept airtight. Some guides say up to 6 days when stored properly.
Okay, well, I'm well in my safe range. Okay then, thank you. The whole thing on there, I'm gonna do 2. Enough of that. Cheese. Cheese. I'm not the lettuce girl, y'all. I don't do lettuce. Mexican cheese is my favorite cheese to eat on anything, for real. Put some of that. Ooh.
For household seasoning purposes, you've got some great McCormick spices that'll be amazing on that steak once it's thawed. The cold water method should have it ready in time for dinner. Are you planning any specific sides or just focusing on getting that steak perfect?
Yeah, I'll have sides as well.
Nice. What sides are you thinking? With those spicy McCormick seasonings you've got, maybe some roasted potatoes or grilled veggies would complement that steak perfectly.
Oh, okay. All right. Y'all, it's too big to roll. Oh my gosh, she's hot too. And dinner is served. Okay. What kind of juice is this? From Aldi's. Y'all know I still love my Aldi's, honey. Y'all remember I used to go to a Little. We have a Little here. It's probably like, I don't know, it might be about 20 minutes away. I need a little run. I don't think I've shopped at Little since been living here. I don't think I have. Need more ice, hold up. Yeah. You want the first bite, friend?